northwestern Putty, southeastern Mesa, southwestern Rush counties. Be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. If caught outside, seek a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows until the storm has passed. Repeating,
I might get another chance.
warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Edwards County, Kansas.
So, what's it look like to our south? It's clear enough. Yeah, this is the last one.
So want to head back then, back to town?
Yeah, now that the hail stopped, I can get out and look at make sure my tires look good. Put this over there.
I think you better put it in dry, or park. Okay, it wasn't, no pop?
No pop.
Okay, because I didn't think it popped. I think it was just the contour of the road.
Let's head back. I think we're done.
Alright, we're done for this chase. Hey, at least we got some welcome rain. Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't go back to Preston, or Cairo.
That's what I said. It's getting a little bit too light.
Yeah, cause see, when it started clearing out like that, then nothing was going to head towards Cairo. So we made the right call and we got us some ping pong ball size hail. So that's going to be in our report. And the train's clear to go. Have a train in the storm. Still looks like we're going to run to a pretty good core.
I think that's the rain.
Nope, there's more hail. This is probably a little lighter stuff.
I think we better bust a core like that.
Oh, we were back down there?
Yeah. No 55 ping pong ball size hail.
Yeah, look at that. That's what we ran into earlier.
Guess what? Core punching is back.
Yep. I wonder how much hail damage you got on the, or dents on the roof.
I thought I saw quite a bit on the hood itself.
That was fun while it lasted.
Oh, see, we have to. Yeah, I'm seeing quite a bit. Because we're headed. What would be right? I'm seeing a lot of lightning right in front of us.
Which would probably be another storm forming. I think if this one heads towards us, we don't have to chase it, it's going to chase us.
I'll just sit out on my front porch.
I'll sit out my I'll sit out in the garage. because it's splitting and doing all this other shit.
Not even that. Look at radar. Look at radar. And look. We're headed right down here, and we're seeing all this in front of us.
Yeah.
But there's nothing on radar.
That's because you're using ICT. You're not using DDC radar. ICT's it's half the distance basically.
No, I'm using ICT.
Go to DDC real quick.
Because it wasn't showing anything impressive by what we went through. I mean, even then it's not showing anything.
Oh.